So I'm sitting here looking at this problem for today for DMR. It says consider the equation. 42 plus 30 equals something, parentheses 7 plus 5. Well, I'm sitting here thinking to myself, well, when do I see parentheses and then two numbers being added or of some sort? So I got to sit here and think to myself, okay, well, what can I do to 7 to get 42 or 30? One of them. What can I do to 5 to get 30 or 42? Let me think. 7 times, because I can do the distributive property here. So I can sit here and say, oh, well, if I put a 6 here, it's a trial and error. If I put a 6 here, I can say 6. That means I would circle it. So then that would give me, in my first set of parentheses, 6 times 7 plus 6 times 5. And I know 6 times 7 is 42. Plus 6 times 5 is 30. So, oh, look at that. If I wanted to, I can say the answer is 72. But look at that. I have it right here. And I have it right here. Well, right here. So that must mean 6 goes there. So bada bing, bada boom. That's DMR for today.